In today's tech tip, I'll be explaining what this icon in the status bar means on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So if you see this icon there, right next to the time on the left hand side, it basically means call forwarding is active or is enabled on your phone. So if you scroll down, you'll actually see that call forwarding is active for all calls, and that's the reason you're seeing that icon there. So once you disable call forwarding, that icon is going to disappear. So that basically means call forwarding. Let me just show you again. That means call forwarding is active. Now to disable call forwarding, if you want to, you can always go to the phone app, just tap on that, and then make sure you're on the keypad, and then tap on the three dots in the top right corner, and then select settings. On the call settings page, go to supplementary services, tap on that, and that takes you to this supplementary services page. Go to call forwarding and let it check the status. And as you can see, all our calls are being forwarded. So if you tap on that, then you can turn off call forwarding from here. And when it's done, it will say no number set, no number set, no number set, and maybe only forward calls when unreachable. But that icon only appears when you forwarded all calls. So as you can see, that icon has disappeared from the status bar. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.